In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Amazon Pay in your Stripe account. To get started, log into your Stripe account using your usual credentials. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account if you manage more than one. This helps avoid changing payment settings in the wrong place. Next, click the settings icon, which looks like a gear. This is where Stripe keeps the main account configuration options, including the settings related to payments and checkout behavior. After that, open your payment settings. This section controls how your business accepts payments and which options are available to your customers at checkout. From there, click on Payment Methods. You'll see a list of payment methods that Stripe supports for your account. These can vary depending on your country, business type, and the currencies or products you use. In the Available Payment Methods list, search for Amazon Pay to find it more quickly. If Amazon Pay is available in your region, click on it to open its setup page. Availability is important here because some payment methods only appear for supported countries or account types. Once you're on the Amazon Pay page, click Turn on or Enable to begin activating it for your Stripe account. At this point, Stripe may ask you to complete some additional Amazon Pay connection or verification steps. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. This part may include linking your Amazon Pay account or confirming business details so the integration can work properly. If you're prompted to review anything, take your time and make sure the information is accurate before continuing. When you finish that process, click Save if prompted. Saving makes sure your changes are applied to the account and that Amazon Pay is officially added to your payment method settings. After that, confirm that Amazon Pay now appears as an enabled payment method. This is an important final check because it tells you the setup was successful and that customers should be able to see it during checkout where supported. Finally, test your checkout to verify that customers can pay using Amazon Pay. A quick test helps you catch any setup issues before real customers do. If the option appears and works as expected, then your setup is complete and you're ready to start accepting payments through Amazon Pay in Stripe. Thanks for watching.